we just left our main boat and we are transferring to a day boat where we're gonna be going, I guess, island hopping and more kayaking.
Good morning, welcome on board. Good morning.
Hello, good morning. Oh, thank you. Cool.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you? How's it going?
Yes.
Oh, it's starting to rain. So we are going to be going into that cave right over there.
Ferry, lake cave, ferry. Yeah.
Ferry
lake
cave.
Ferry.
Okay.
Inside the cave, we didn't put light inside, no light inside, because we want to keep it natural. If we put a light inside, some small animal inside the cave like bats, crabs, spider, they will go.
Spiders?
Still there.
Very slippery.
You can't see anything.
I'm not even trying to see anything.
It's like when we did the black water rafting.
Yep. Limbo rock.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. We are squatting. Oh my god.
All right. Oh. Wow.
So there's more.
Nice.
Oh. Babe, don't mention spiders. I don't want to know. Oh, nice. You good? Uh-huh. Oh, this one's real tiny.
It's a tiny one.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh my god, you could see it.
Call it the ferry lake cave.
That's cool. On our way out. You ready?
Yep.
All right. Got it?
Yes.
So now we're off to the next location. I think we're going to a floating village, or we're going to a place where we kayak to a floating village. Just started pouring. So I don't know what we're gonna be doing now. I mean, we'll probably just wait it out, right? Yeah, it'll pass by, but we're still on a schedule, that's the thing. Like lunchtime is at 11, it's like 10 something. I guess we'll just wait it and then we'll probably get on there. Rain died down. We're gonna do a little bit more kayaking. Made it to the cave. Wow. Starting to rain again, but it's not as bad. It goes through, right? Some random furniture. I don't know what that's doing here. Yeah? I'm gonna go just to take a look. Yvonne! No, come.
Holy moly.
Holy moly, Yvonne. Holy moly. Pretty nice cave. Yeah. See what the viewpoint is from here. Yep. We are gonna probably just hang out here for a little bit and then we're gonna head on back and have some lunch. You're gonna push me out?
I think.
All right. Let's see if she could do it.
I can. Yes. Look, I mean, look at this.
You are
Look at
a package,
this.
all in one. What's next?
Cave.
Yeah, we're going to a cave and then we're back to the main boat. I'm about to hike these stairs all the way to the top of this little mountain. All right, so we're keep going up. Oh no, I think we're going down. You gotta watch out, yeah. Oh wait, no, I think, are we going up more? Or are we going down? I can't tell.
Ladies and gentlemen, from here you can now go to this side of the pond.
So we didn't hike all the way to the top.
No.
You could actually,
Halfway.
yeah, felt like we did at one point. You could actually go up a little bit more. You got it. You got it.
Oh, nice.
And that is Halong Bay. And over there is the other bay. Starts with a B. There's three of them. So when you come out here, there are three different sections that you could explore. There's Halong Bay, and then there's two other ones. To get to those two other ones, there are specific tours for that. Not the most popular, but more expensive, because it takes more time to get out to there. So we're gonna head back to the boat and then head back to the main boat, and we'll see you on there because my battery is about to die. Alright, so another cave, third day. Last night when we got back to the boat, we just hung out, had some drinks, played some games, and now it's our final day. And we are going to be exploring
The biggest cave.
yeah, the largest cave here in Halong Bay.
Sunrising.
Sunrising Cave.
This is.
Wow. This is a huge cave. Who would have thought
What?
that most of our boat cruise would be cave exploring?
I know. Hurry up.
Wow, that's crazy. This is huge. This honestly doesn't even feel like natural. Crazy. Crazy huge. So all of this was once underwater 700 million years ago. I never thought it would be this large. It's crazy huge. Crazy huge. That was just the entrance. So he said that that's the most popular rock. The most beautiful rock. And there's a hole on the ceiling. I thought that was the end.
No, we're going.
This is a huge, huge, huge cave.
This is like
The largest cave.
you know, like caves back then are like homes of people. Like
Yeah.
houses. This is like the mansion. It's like
I think how the luck. For the dip to be next to head.
So that rock formation looks like a turtle, and the people in Vietnam worship turtles, so they put money there for good luck. All right, we're about to head out, head back to the boat, and go to the mainland, where we're gonna be taking a 4-hour drive back to Hanoi.